So this is one piece of the sofa. It says do not cut with sharp knife tool. So I'm just gonna rip it, which is kind of halfway open. Okay, so this is how this is looking. Oh, yay! I'm so excited. This makes it real. At first it was like I moved, but until the furniture goes up, it's like, So, round 2, step 1. There's 2 boxes, so let me deal with the first box first. It's my sofa, and it's purple. I love it. It's purple velvet. It feels so luxurious. All right, so these are the instructions. There's 1, there's 2. There's 2 pieces of sofa, and these seem like the legs. And since this is velvet, and I have stuff on the floor from like boxes and stuff, I'm literally gonna just put the legs on in the box and then turn it out the box, so it's easier that way. So I'll show you how the legs look. This is how the legs look. I wanted the gold ones, but they ran out, so I got the silver, which I'm thinking of just like painting it gold, but my theme is like silver and gold, so I'll just leave it. Alright, so this is how to assemble, but since it's velvet, I don't want to touch the floor. So it basically says put the legs. I'm gonna put the legs, I can sit up. So I'm gonna take this, put it in here, and then literally take this, put it in here, put it, and then the Allen wrench to screw it in with. So that's what I'm gonna do, then I'll be back. So what I'm gonna do is take these 4 longer ones and put them to put the side of the arm on. And I already put the legs, so it's 4 long and 4 washers. And I put the legs on, turned the couch to the side, put that under the couch, which came in the box. And now I'm just gonna put these in here, hug apart the arm of the couch, and then I'll come back. And these are the brackets that snap it together, but those already came assembled, so just doing these. So I screwed that and tightened it into the middle. Now I just placed the screws and the washers in there. Now I gotta tighten all 4 sides. I'm just gonna use this to put on the floor, turn it on the side, and screw in the arm. So I'll be back. And this is box 2. So this is the other part of the sofa. So beautiful. Again, it's velvet purple. So this is what it's looking like. And so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put on the legs first so I can flip it out of the box with it already standing up. So I'm gonna go put these pillows on my bed and then put the legs, and then I'll be back. It was pretty easy to put it together. This is how the purple couch looks. It's purple velvet and it comes with a chase. I was gonna get one with 2 chases since I have a really huge living room, dining room combination. It's like so big, but again, I like to have walking space and breathing space, because if there was another chase, it probably were to stop like right here. But I got with 1 chase, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put the TV there, but here goes the aftermath with all the garbages and stuff. But yeah, I'm so happy.